Hey guys, tonight we are going to be doing the head gasket fix. This one is by Bars Leaks, block sealant permanent head gasket fix, and it's one step. This is the easiest one to use that they had at Advanced Auto Parts, which is where I got this. Usually for auto part store, I go to Napa or O'Reilly, but I went to Advanced Auto Parts because I was looking for paint, and they're the ones in town. I'm not sure if they're the only ones. Probably not. They're one of the ones in town that they do auto paint, and they mix it and whatever there. And so I was looking for that, so I stopped in there, and then I bought this. So this is probably sold at a bunch of different auto parts stores. I'm not sure though. So here are the directions. Allow engine to cool. Make sure engine is cool enough so radiator cap can be safely removed, which is going to be this thing right here. The cap. This is the radiator under here. And then shake well, pour head gasket fix directly into radiator. If using in a small cooling system such as a 4-cylinder with no air conditioning, install half the bottle. Tip: if direct access to radiator is not available and if overflow tank is pressurized, you can install in tank. So if you cannot get at this cap, you can install it in that tank. Fill radiator and overflow tank to proper level and reinstall radiator cap, which is that, and then start the engine. Turn heater on hot and fan on high. And the reason you do that is because your heater coil that the antifreeze runs through, this stuff can plug it up if you don't do that. So make sure that's on. Idle engine for 15 minutes. Allow engine to cool. Top off radiator and leave Bars Leaks head gasket fix in cooling system for continued protection. Drive vehicle as normal. So that's pretty simple. I'm just gonna follow the directions because that's the way it should be done, and you guys can see what happens. So hopefully it fixes my problems. It says somewhere on here, it says it says right here, your vehicle is a good candidate for this product if it can idle for 20 minutes without overheating or having to add coolant. Mine is not that bad, so mine doesn't overheat after just running for 20 minutes not moving. So theoretically, according to that, it should work. So we'll see. So I had to take some out with that dropper there to put a little bit in. I couldn't even fit the whole bottle in, but we're gonna start the car up and see if it will take any more after I start it. So that's the update. Alright, so it's been running for 15 minutes, and according to the instructions, that is enough. So yep, idle engine 15 minutes, and now we're supposed to let engine cool. So in and let it cool off. So once it cools, I'm supposed to top it off. And looks like I'm gonna need that much. So I'll just add that much to this here and we'll call it good. So thanks for watching. Hopefully this stuff works. And yeah, I'm excited to see the results. So catch ya later. Please subscribe.